Hello everybody, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery on an extraordinarily windy day. And all my paint is out and I have a very strong desire to continue where I left off earlier in spite of that. So unless you're a hardcore fan, you might want to mute me. I'm going to cover this black canvas with more black paint to facilitate whatever paint I add next. I even have a little spot, it looks like. But I'll figure out that that's going to work out okay. This is my OXO omelet turning spatula. I don't intend on this to take very long, but I have no idea yet. I'm going to use my black gloss enamel from Folk Art as the enamel catalyst. And generally speaking, I've been very fortunate with making some incredible cells without any silicone at all, and some pretty darn nice paintings too. That I'm still excited about using it. I gotta say, it's I'm not doing things the way other people have done them. I've seen some of the results of the cloud pictures. I really haven't studied the videos or even watched them particularly to say the truth. My swipes are done with a cotton rag that's dampened in water and then wrung out pretty thoroughly. I'm not going to worry about my edges right now, and I was not going to paint all of this, but I think I'm just going to facilitate time, I think I'm just going to take all of my wet paint and cover the whole canvas right like it is. I like the OXO omelet turning spatula because as I swipe across, I can see anything that might need to come out, and I have some tweezers to do that. Someday I'm going to actually swipe one of these enamel pictures with just the spatula, and right now I'm going to clean that off. Fortunately it's not enamel, and I'm going to just begin to compose something that I like the look of, imagining that as I pull my swipe cloth across, oh, that's my issue. That's going to make green. This is, yeah, this is the white enamel from Folk Art, which does allow me to often use that purple. I'm going to try and grab only colors I really want to see. Now, the last time I did what I'm doing now, I didn't completely wet the whole canvas. But this is going to be really interesting. I like experimenting, so as long as you're interested in bearing with me and the wind doesn't completely take my voice away, we should be all set. So far, so good. Strange colors, I know, but I haven't done anything quite like this on the black wet canvas yet, so it's going to be different. I'm a little nervous about it. Maybe if I turn that around. I really can't use the yellow because I know I will make green, but maybe I should not worry about that so much and just go ahead and make the green. And grab my gold. And I really I haven't used any of this hot pink, and it's probably useless to do so because it usually disappears. But let's find out, and if it doesn't, it'll still change some colors to something interesting. And that is a cobalt blue, I believe. And I have all of my colors that I like handy. And the only thing I haven't really put in here yet is the blue from Grumbacher, and I want my gold. What did I do with my gold? It's right here. Cool. So no idea. And I don't have any orange in there. Wow, that's unlike me. I want more gold, but I think I'm going to have too much paint if I add too much more. I kind of want some more white, and I think I'm going to let myself have some of the white pearl. Let's just do that. I don't, I might not keep it. Cross your fingers for me that we keep it. Maybe if I turn it, boy, I'm nervous. Okay, let me find a swipe rag. I've got a bucket of them. And I'm going to start with a large one, I think. Well, no, I'll just start with the medium one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my white gloss enamel, and I don't know if you can see me over here. I'm just going to put it right on my swipe rag, and then I'm going to whap that sucker right on. Drag all my color right over. Wow! Put that aside for a second. And I may wind up tilting this. I said I had a wider rag, and I do. I think what I want to do, I'm going to get my bottles out of the way. Let's give myself a whole bunch of gold. And then this time, I'm going to put my white gloss enamel right on the picture. And I'm going to dip my rag as best I can. Tap that paint off, which is too bad because I got a lot of it. I didn't get enough orange, so I'm going to give myself some. I think I'm going to use my paint too. So that's not really what I had in mind, but that's okay because it's pretty sharp anyway. I'm seeing that line there that I want to continue. I'm hoping that everything stays attached to my surface. Please don't blow away painting. Just a little bit of a skewer, the blunt end of the skewer right in the painting. Okay then. I'm going to put something right down there so that doesn't happen again. And I'm going to take my straw and blow into it. Camouflage the marks, more or less. I'm going to have to cut my Lola Fee silicone mat sometime soon. I'm going to give myself a little bit of white satin enamel. I got to do this with a dustpan soon. Grab a skewer. Let it go over the side. Just fake it a little bit. Because I can, the name of my book on the Amazon link. Under Show More under the video. It's actually Volume 1. Volume 2, is Unlimited Possibilities. And that purple doesn't necessarily stay vibrant like that, but I still love it anyway. Not going to worry about my edges right now. I'm going to finish any marks that I see that are next to the edge of the canvas. And take any invitation like that one, where a mark is looking uneven. Where'd my straw go? There we go. I really did not get enough orange, but I'm pretty happy with most of what I'm seeing, so Just a very gentle tug with my basting brush. Just barely dipping the bristles in. Do I want to do anything here? Because that's where I'm feeling like doing it. Can I get away with it? That's the question. It looks like the answer is yes. Which is always a good answer. So, pretty quick here, I'm going to say this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I am tempted as heck to give myself a line of enamel, white gloss enamel, and then wipe off my schmutzy basting brush, dip it mightily right there. Because I can. And maybe what I want to do is go back from the other direction. So I'm going to put some more of that right there. There. That's not bothering me. I kind of like that. So that's just me taking advantage of what's there and changing it up a little bit. Yep, I like that spot. I gave myself permission. And a little more pink there, and I kind of want some white over there. And I've got all of this right here still. And no reason not to let myself use it. All because that Lullaby silicone mat blew in. I'm just going to use that right up. Painting with my silicone basting brush just like it was a regular brush. And I'm liking that. And I'm going to leave that spatula right there so if the wind comes up it won't be a problem again. So what, if anything, do I want to do to that? And I'm not sure the answer is anything at all. And then I go and do something. And I like that something. So I'm going to torch this and tell you guys, if you decide that you'd like to help support my channel and keep me painting at YouTube, and that would be wonderful, I would appreciate a thumbs up. The longer you watch the videos, yeah, I'm going to do it. The longer you watch the videos, the more likely the YouTube algorithm is to allow me to stay where people can see me. It's the only thing that matters, is the length of time that you watch. Thumbs up are nice. Comments are great. They're helpful too. But watching the videos longer is really helpful. And I have playlists on my channel, created playlists they're called. And you might have to look the term up twice to find them all. But there's 11 genres, like scapes and swipes. Yes, I just want this color right here, and this is a color shift turquoise from Folk Art. And I'm much happier now that I have that there. And I might want it over here too now that I've given myself that permission. Because I can. The name of my book. Oh yeah, I said that already. Anyway, so the Amazon link is at no added cost to you, and it helps me out when you shop there a lot. I really appreciate you guys going there. I have Facebook groups where you can find other students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is if you want to see what I've been posting my own work, either fluid acrylics or not, since 2013. That's Totes, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More. I am so glad I did that because there's some great paint left on that skewer and I hate wasting paint. If I can use it, I will. And it might even sell because I think that's the white enamel in there. Get rid of that anomalous mark. So I'm going to torch this, and I got 26 seconds left. There is no silicone in any of my work. Under the video you can find my paint pouring recipe, which is the same for any of the enamels I use, be they gloss or satin. I see that dot. Maybe I should just leave that dot. Also, you can find PayPal and Patreon icons on my channel header and the links underneath the video if you want to get in the monthly drawing. It's a $10 minimum to get in to contribute to keep the studio rolling, and there are 7 paintings in January. Who knows what's going to be in February, March's drawing. But you can find out what the prizes look like in the last 20 seconds of any video on the end screen. That's where I include them. I don't have too much to do. My edges are okay. Pretty happy that I did this. I'm not done playing with these enamels, be they gloss or be they semi-gloss. And don't forget, we torch to release the bubbles in the paint and also to help enhance the patterns. I love you guys. There's almost 85,000 of you. Thank you so much for all the contributions that kept me painting in 2019 and early 2020 so far. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for the great comments and compliments you leave me too. Yeah, just a little more. I'm good. Ha! I'm going to throw my swipe rags in the bucket so I can actually use them again. And I will see you guys anon. You can ask me any questions you want to. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if I can, I will. I'm going to do it. It may not stay. But I'm going to do it anyway. Bye for now. Bye for Priscilla in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. On a very blustery, very blustery day. Probably touch up my edges for a few more minutes. Thank you guys for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Wow. I love you guys. There you can see the whole thing. Finally, huh? Bye.